Hey, good day, folks. This is Jeff Whitney Dool at the Dogtrot. Today I'm alone. I don't have my sidekick with me, my brother, Hick slash Johnny. He's traveling now. He's going to down to Ocean Springs, Goshen area. Has some meetings set up for Cypress and stuff like that, and he's doing a small get together on Saturday, helping clean up the bayou, which I think that's a pretty important program. I'm looking forward to seeing what the results of that is. But for now, I'm holding the fort down and working on some deals, mainly working on tuning our little show up here so that we get picked up by some sponsors here, so it sponsors our art projects. And speaking of that, I think I might, while I've got the time here, I might just slide you one of the animation films that I do and see how you enjoy that. Would love to hear your comments on it. It's something I've been working on for, nearly 10 years now. I just switched over to filming on my V20 Android, which I surely enjoy. And my dogs are growling. Hey, hang on. Hang on. That's the way I guess they greet each other, because they know it's bone time, and bones are about to come. Stop, guys, stop. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it! And sometimes you have to holler just a little to get the point across. But anyways, this is my dog that got hit the other day. He's doing fine. He's just more or less got shocked. And then Mama Sam, she's my rabbit dog, old retired rabbit dog that is, and they're wanting their bones. So I think I'll take a break. Maybe what I'll do is I'll walk out and see if I can't get some shots. The shop is starting to look really good now. So let me come back to you and just stay tuned. Thank you. Sun is setting. It's getting a little cool. I just fed the cats. As you can see, they're all here just looking. I think I've got about 5 cats now. I had 11. But these are wild cats. I don't make pets out of them. Daddy cat there. Male cat. Mama cat. Those 3. So anyways, let's just walk up in here. Now, tomorrow's project is to clean this up all in here. Just clean this out so it's nice and clean. So it's workable. And then what we did here in the shop, now I've been planing a lot, as you can see in here, using a planer because I had to store the wood up at the store. But that's quite dark. Well, anyways, let's just see if we can see anything in here. There we go. Yeah. Got 2 of the tables cleaned out. So now we can, that was one of the shelves he left behind. I can start putting up projects up here so that he's got some projects I want to work on the table so he doesn't have to make too many decisions. But this here, this is all going to be cleaned out here in these 2 boxes. This is not too bad here, the shelf-wise. But anyhow, let's call it a night, shall we say, and go our separate ways? No. We can go together. But like Mr. Rogers says, welcome to my neighborhood, bud. So, anyhow, I'm just moving these containers out. So I shut the door here, as it might rain. And basically, I'm going to try to tackle this outside tomorrow and see how far I can get in just cleaning it up, because I have company coming Sunday and next week. And as you can see here, I've got the back of the truck all cleared out. That's a good thing. I'll put this gas thing in here. I'm replacing one of the old gas tankers, putting a small one here. So hopefully nobody will take it. And if you can look in the windows there, well, I probably can't. We're going to clean this all out in here, which is not too bad. Just want to have it cleaned out for Saturday. But one of the things I'm thinking about is all this wood here. This is all small collector stuff. And I'm going to find a place to store it. And I'm thinking of a couple of places now that I can store it so it'll dry up a bit. But anyhow, all the dogs are fed. I'm happy. Lots of things to do. My brother's on his journey, and I'm wishing him well and a safe trip back. And have a good time down there, baby brother. Hick or Johnny. But anyhow, this is life at the Dogtrot. And for all it's worth, it sure is worth it for me. Thank you for viewing, and stay tuned for more adventures. Jeff Whitney Duel, over and out. And one more time, now, as I promised you, I will be showing you some of my work in Second Life. It's completely different from what I do here, so bear with it. It's my form of art. It's an art name. Well, it's got a new name, or it developed about 15 years ago, called Machinima. And it's art with a computer and virtual worlds and stuff like that. But anyways, I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to hear from you. I enjoy those emails, and I'm now going to have my phone number on there so that you can text me, please, and tell me what you think. But anyways, thank you very much, and enjoy.